It is super shiny. So that's what we'll do, and we are traveling like that way. So yeah, maybe let's start programming our. Let's start planning. Oh God, I can't let go of this coffee. Hello, good morning. Okay, so we shall check our. Okay, so. Excellent. That's our reservation confirmation. So yeah, it's showing 60 miles to the hotel, of course, but with a bicycle and all of our moderate hills and curves and stuff, it's actually showing 70 miles, so 66 plus 4. But guys, with the wind, it should not be a problem. So yeah, let's go ahead and pop that in there. Yeah, so far the grapes haven't caused me too many issues, so hopefully if we're on a trail or something to that effect, they won't be an issue. But if we have to get out on the road, okay. One last sip of the second half cup. 2 half cups. This is what we're going to call this segment here. 2 half cups of coffee. Right. Maybe after half hour or so. We'll try to do a battery check stop swap. Or at least a battery check. Alright guys, so off we go. Off we go. I guess guys, when cycling in cooler weather, especially when it's sunny, yeah, I highly recommend just wear black, because the sun immediately you feel kind of a warmth. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get the light here anytime soon. Yeah, these lights are not very cycle friendly. There you go, you know guys, apart from like that trail we found yesterday, the Lost Bridge Trail, there was yeah, I don't think there was, I seen one marking yet for like cyclist paths, you know, or at least some portion of the road has been dedicated to cyclists.